So we finally stopped watching movies. We threw ourselves into our hopeless hobbies, while all our friends took karate. We stopped respecting our bodies. The carpets were insulated. Our voices were calibrated. So you'll only have to speak in tongues and I'll articulate it on the ceiling tile. Today is the day, just like we rehearsed. When our bodies stop getting better and they start getting worse. Checked ourselves into old hotels. We grew real sad. We knew we'd probably never meet. Always ready for a life at sea. Yeah, we tied balloons to our toes, but we still wouldn't float. So we slept by the door, ignoring mail that never ever came. We'd piss our pants if the doorbell rang. One day we will wake up under layers of moss and find ourselves thankful. And one day we'll wake up floating a few feet in the air. Or maybe our golden bridge was just a few inches. Or maybe we'll just wake up with dirt in our hair. When your beat goes down and your mornings drown, then